Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today I want to talk to you about the luxury items that I currently have my eye on. So until then, just wait. If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, my name is Kenzie. I'm so happy to have you. I do a lot of videos on luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel when we can, and just luxury in general. So if any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea of any of those, then I would ask that you consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like, and ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And yeah, guys, without any further ado, let's jump on into the video. I do apologize. This is like the second video that I'm filming in this setup right now, like the background right now. But the thing is that I kind of like it. Like, you have like a nice little image on the TV to look at. Like the lights are nice and purple, and I can change the color to whatever, you know, whatever we want. I don't know, I like the living room setup a little bit. So just let me know if you prefer the living room or the bedroom. But so these are some luxury items that I have my eye on. Not necessarily a wish list, because I don't do wish lists anymore, because I have decided that wish lists make me spend more money. So no more wish lists, but these are some items that I've had my eye on that I would like to own at some point, or at least like I'm like fancying the idea of them, you know what I mean? There's not going to be any kind of particular list or anything like that, but the number one item that I have my eye on right now is the Massimo Dutti trench coat. Listen, this trench coat is so freaking nice. I know we're getting into spring, summer, but this trench coat just is amazing to me. It is still like really good quality, but it's not like $1,000. It's 250 bucks. I personally think that's a really good price for a trench coat. I do not see anything wrong with that. Other trench coats that I've seen have been like upwards of 500 bucks and even more, like 1,000. Like Burberry trench coats, please. Like $1,000, $2,000, that's insane. But this one right here, it looks absolutely stunning. It's beautiful, and it looks like it cinches in your waist really, really nicely, and it's like a very classic trench coat, kind of like khaki color. Is that what's like tan camel kind of color? I am obsessed with it and I love it. I'm very upset though, because I literally was gonna get it. I was gonna order it a couple days ago, because I kept checking back on the website and I kept having a small in stock. But of course, the day where I actually tried to buy it, the small sells out and they only have an extra small left. So I'm not gonna buy an extra small because I can't wear that. I'm hoping that a small will come back in stock soon. I'm like crossing my fingers. So. Next up, I have the Hermes Oran sandal. I love this sandal, and I actually had no idea that you could get these directly just from the website. I thought you had to like go in store to get these, but no, you can get these from the website, which I'm so freaking jazzed about. I specifically like these pretty white ones right here, and like the little H is so cute. I have so many outfits that I could wear the white sandal with for summertime, and then maybe a black pair, or like the gold color. Ooh, I love that. But I think my first one is going to be the white pair, and I know many of you are thinking like, why would I buy white sandals? They're like stupidly expensive and they're just going to get messed up, like they're going to get dirty. I'm really clean with my stuff. At least I try to be. At least I baby everything I have. Even if I don't technically need to, I still baby everything I have. So I think that I can keep these clean relatively, so maybe not like spotless, but I think I can keep them pretty clean. So I really want these sandals. I like them a lot, and you know, it maybe helps with the Hermes journey. The thing is, when it comes to Hermes, I don't know if I'm ever going to achieve a Birkin. If I'm going to achieve Birkin status. If I do one day, that's great. If I don't, I have my Chanels, and I'm so happy with my Chanel, so I don't really care. But you know, I am buying stuff from Hermes, and I have an account, so like maybe that counts towards purchase history. I'm not entirely sure, but we can hope and pray that it does. Keeping with Hermes, I have one other thing that I really like from them, and I go back and forth every single day on which one that I should get, because I like them both a lot. You saw the sandal just now, but I also I keep looking down because I'm looking at my phone. I really love the Hermes Click H bracelet. It's like the bracelet from Hermes. It's so freaking cute. I love it to bits. And of course, I love the white one. I want to look at other colors as well, but this white one is just so pretty, and I wear a lot of white as you can see, and I just think it would just go with so many outfits. This or the black or maybe even the gold one. Do they have a gold one? And I don't mean like gold hardware, I mean like the Hermes color gold. I don't know, but I'll take a look, but I love the white one. It's just so cute. These things are so expensive, so like I have to save up for these. Yeah, I just think it's adorable. I think it's very feminine looking. I think it's really classic looking. I think it would look really nice if I had like that H bracelet, like that Hermes bracelet, and then I had like my Apple Watch with like a cute little strap on it or something. Like, I don't know, I think it would look really nice. But yeah, I love that bracelet, and I definitely see myself getting one. And you can order this online too. I was shocked. I was like, oh well, I can order the sandals online, that's great, but I'm gonna have to go to the store to get like jewelry. No, we don't even have an Hermes store here. The closest Hermes store to me is in Georgia. Next up, we have something from Dior. Oh my god, listen, when I saw these, my jaw just like dropped straight to the floor, and I just went, it's so freaking beautiful. These are sunglasses. These are the 30 Montaigne, am I saying that right? Montaigne sunglasses. Oh, I do think that this is a whole series like 30 Montaigne, but this style exactly, these are the ones that I like. I love these so much. They're so cool. They look like they would just make every outfit that much more elevated, if you know what I mean. They're just beautiful. I love the way they look. I love the little side detail. I'm obsessed with these. They're very expensive. So the thing is though, is when it comes to sunnies, I do love them. I have my Saint Laurent sunnies right here, and these right here were like $350. These Dior ones are like $600. Is that right? $560. Ugh. Next up, I have, oh my god, this is from Totem, and I have just been so obsessed with Totem recently. I've always been, well, for a couple of years I've been obsessed with Totem, but I haven't actually gotten anything from them until like a couple of weeks ago. I did get my first Totem item, and I will be doing a haul of everything that I've like accumulatively collected here, probably the next video. There's this sweater that I really like. It is called the Chunky Mohair Merino knit sweater. I don't think I'm saying that right at all. Merino, yeah, maybe knit sweater. Anyways, it is like a white sweater, and it has like little speckles of black in it. Funny enough, the color of this is called vanilla stracciatella. Stracciatella is like an Italian word. It's so cool. It's like an ice cream gelato flavor in Italy, and it's basically just like white and black. Like it's like a vanilla ice cream with dark chocolate pieces in it, or like chocolate pieces. So that's very nice. So the sweater is named that too. It just kind of took me back. But yeah, no, this sweater is so freaking cute, and I cannot wait to get this. I got 4 more things here. I can't count. It's 5. All of these are bags except for one, but a lot of these are bags going forward. This is the Mulberry Mini Alexa. I have wanted this bag for a little bit. I really wanted it, and then I kind of fell out of love with it, and I was like, oh, but I want Chanel. I fell out of love with this to get Chanel, and I feel like that's kind of not the best thing to do, because Chanel is like 10 times the price of this bag. But this is the cutest freaking bag. I love the chalk color right here, and I also love the chestnut color. I'm so undecided on which one I really want. I'm gonna have to really just do like a soul search and figure out which one I like the best, because this bag is just adorable. They have it in Nordstrom, or the one near me, and I can go see it anytime. And I have seen it one other time in Nordstrom. I did a vlog on it. I'll link the vlog up here or up here, wherever it's at. And I was able to see it, and I put my stuff inside, and it actually fits a lot more than you would think it does. It's a really good bag, super duper cute. Next one I have is the Fendi Baguette, you guys. I want the Fendi Baguette so bad. I have a lot of very fancy bags. So I have 2 Chanels, I have a Lady Dior, and I have a YSL puffer bag. That one's not super fancy, so that one definitely is more of a casual, like daytime bag in my opinion, but it still looks a little fancy, you know? I really have been looking for a bag that just looks super duper casual, that I can just wear all the time and not worry about it. So I'm looking at these. There's the Mini Alexa that I'm thinking about, the Fendi Baguette, and then another one that I'm gonna say here in a second. But the Fendi Baguette, guys, it is just so nice. And I have never seen somebody wearing a Fendi Baguette just like out. And I kind of want to be that person. I want to be that person that's like, I'm gonna carry my Fendi Baguette and it's gonna be great. so I can be different. But yeah, I love the look of this bag. I have always loved the look of this bag. I think it's so fun. Again, it's pretty slouchy, so it does give a more casual vibe. So I cannot wait to get one of these at some point. I love it. Last three things I have here are Louis Vuitton. And the casual bag that I'm also looking at through Louis Vuitton that I can't decide between the Mulberry Lexa, the Fendi Baguette, and the Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis. Yes, the Pochette Métis, everyone's favorite Louis Vuitton bag that has so many flaws and issues. I wonder why I even want it. I really just love the look of it. I love the gold buckle on the front. I think that's probably my favorite part of the Pochette Métis. I really freaking like it. And I know a lot of people have the Pochette Métis. It's kind of turned into like, probably not as popular as the Neverfull, but it's definitely one of LV's super duper popular bags. And I understand why. It's so cute, guys. I love the different leathers you can get it in. You can get it in, of course, the regular canvas, which I actually really like. But you can get it in the empreinte leather. I think that's like the black empreinte leather, which I also really, really freaking like. But I'm thinking I might lean more towards the canvas. I'm not sure. But yes, I like the Pochette Métis. Next up, these are actually some LV sneakers that I did not know existed. I think these actually came out in like their newest collection, like spring summer kind of collection. They did men's spring summer, and then now they've done women's spring summer. And I think these were part of women's, and I really like them. Of course, they're already sold out, duh. But they're so cool. They have like Louis Vuitton on the heel, kind of like the Chanel. White sneakers has like Chanel, and then this has like Louis Vuitton going, like it's debossed. Embossed is where it goes in, right? And then debossed is where it comes out. I think it's debossed. So it's so cool, and the sneakers are so crisp and clean and white, and oh, I love them so much. I just got my Celine white sneakers, so I don't think that I'm going to be getting these. I just like them. So yeah, there's that. And then the last thing I have on my list of things that I'm like eyeing and looking at is the LV Capucines bag, guys. I have found a newfound love for this bag. I have seen this bag so many times, many a time, and I've just never, I thought it was nice. It just never clicked with me. But then I found out that they have a mini one, and I simply passed away. Guys, the LV Capucines mini is like probably one of my favorite bags that I've ever seen, ever. There's the Chanel Classic Flap, the Hermes Birkin, and the LV Capucines. Probably one of the most beautiful bags that I've ever seen ever. And I love it. I really love the black, and there is one that's actually really nice. It's black and it has like a python. Wow. It has a python like top to it. I know that I said in a different video that I wouldn't get exotics, but I really like that python top, you guys. I don't know, I really like it. But I think I can find other ones that I like more. They just have so many styles. They have so many materials and styles and fabrics that they use, and I think this bag is so stunning. It is a very ladylike bag. It is a very kind of fancy bag, but I think that's kind of how I dress. I don't dress super ladylike, like dresses and skirts and stuff, but I don't dress very edgy or anything. I kind of have like this is a little sporty that I have on right here, and then other times I dress kind of like very like business casual, but like super duper business casual. Like I love a blazer on top of something. Like I'll just wear like a t-shirt and then a blazer, and I don't know what my style is. Anyways, but I do think my style would suit an LV Capucines mini. I really, really like it. They're so expensive. I think that's like one of LV's top bags, like when it comes to the price. I think that's one of LV's most expensive bags. It's like high up there. It's like, I think the mini is like 5,000, maybe 6,000. I definitely think if you get any kind of exotics, that it's gonna be at least 6,000, 7,000. Oh, those numbers. Anyways, I just really like it, and maybe one day I'll get one at some point. I just think that they're beautiful and I love them a lot. You guys, that has been my list of items that I have just been eyeing and just kind of like, you know, putting them in my brain, letting them cook for a little bit, and just kind of telling you what I like. didn't really make any sense. But yeah, these are just things that I've just been eyeing, things that I like, kind of like a wish list, but not really a wish list, because these are not things that I'm like actively trying to buy. If I were to get one, great. But you know, yeah, I've got so many things already, so I don't think that I don't need to keep shopping. Like, I'm so grateful and just so content with what I have. But yeah, you get it. Oh, Winston started playing with his toy now. Winston, I'm glad he started playing with it at the end of the video. But you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I really hope that you did enjoy it again. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and subscribe if you want to. Tell me some things in the comments that you're looking forward to or that you've had your eye on. I really wanna know that as well. But you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!